Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be seeing the small assignments on Tkinter module. So we already seen the all the widgets and some small applications of Tkinter module, right? So here we'll be seeing some more. And let us see the first one. Write a Python GUI program to add a button in your application using Tkinter module. Okay. So we just need to add a button from Tkinter import star. I hope you guys remember all these things using tk class root.main loop. They just ask you to include a button, right? Text equal to this is button. Let us just place it, or else just pack it and let us run it. Yes, we got it. This is a button. Okay, so this is the first one. Let us go for the second one. Write a Python Tkinter program to display 3 text boxes in order to fill the information to student name, student ID, and password. After filling in all the information, the submit button must appear for submission purposes. Okay, so we just need to have 3 text boxes and 3 labels. That is one student name, student ID, and password. And after that, there must be a submit button at the end. Okay, so let us write first Tkinter import star root equal to tk root.main loop. What are the things? Student name, student ID, and password. Okay, first let us take student name, L2 equal to label root comma text equal to student ID, and L3 is password, right? Root comma password. And let us just place them. First let us change the geometry. Let's change into 500 by 500, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. L2 dot place, let us go for x equal to 0, y equal to 50. L3 dot place, x equal to 0, y equal to 100. Now let us just see whether these 3 labels are good or not. Okay, and this one is text, we forgot. Now yes, student name, student ID, and password. 3 labels are set, and we just need to put entry boxes in order to make the user enter the data, right? So let us just have e1 equal to entry root, e2 equal to root, e3 equal to root, and now let us just place them. X equal to 100, y equal to 0, e2 dot place, x equal to 100, y equal to 50, e3 dot place, x equal to 100, y equal to 100. Now let us see. Yes, we got perfectly. Okay, and they asked us to put a submit button at the end, right? So let us just put b1 equal to button root comma text equal to submit. Let us just place it b1 dot place, x equal to, let us just take 100, or let us just take 150, and y equal to 200. Let us just see. Yes, we got a submit button here as well. Student name, student ID, and password. Okay, so this is the second one. And if you want to make this responsive, what you're gonna do, just create a function and write here command and write the function name here so that the button will become responsive. Okay, so this is the second one. Let us go for the third one. What is the third one? Create a program in Python that has a Tkinter window asking the user to enter integer n and returns all the divisors of n. Okay, so it should return all the divisors of n. Import star root equal to tk root dot main loop, and let us just take L1 equal to label root comma text equal to enter the number, and E1 equal to entry. This is the entry box which is useful for taking the input from the user. L1 dot place x equal to 0, y equal to 0. E1 dot place x equal to 100, y equal to 0. And let us also change the geometry 500 by 500. Let us just check whether these things are perfect or not. Enter the number and we got here, and let us put the one button comma text equal to submit. X equal to, let us just take 50, y equal to 100. Let us just see. Yes, once we press submit, all the divisors of the entered number should be here, right? So let us just create a function. Let us just create a function and let us just fetch n equal to enter the data, that is even dot get, and first let us create a label L1 equal to label comma root comma text equal to the divisors are, and what I'm going to do is for I in range len of n, if n mod I double equal to 0, then what I'm going to do, L1 dot config or else let us just create a new label. So what we're gonna do is if n mod I is equal to 0, so let us just write L1 of text equal to L1 of text, and since everything here is string, let us just write string of I plus and some empty space. Okay, so what is happening here is first we are getting the entered data and we are converting it to int, and we are just finding the divisors of it, and we are just writing the text and we are configuring the label. Once we run this, let us just write 100 here. The divisors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 20 and 50. Okay, so this is the third one, and let us go for fourth now. Fourth.py. Using Tkinter Python library, write a Python program that displays a dialog, asks the user to enter the name and age, and returns the message as shown. major if the entered age is written, or minor if less than 18. Okay, so have you guys understood what is the question? Let us just write it. From Tkinter import star root equal to tk root dot main loop, and the first L1 equal to label root comma what is the text, enter the name, and E1 equal to entry root, and L2 equal to text equal to enter age, and let us check entry box for this one as well. And next, submit button, right? B1 equal to button root comma text equal to submit. First let us place them. L1 dot place x equal to 0, y equal to 0. U1 dot place x equal to 100, y equal to 0. L2 dot place x equal to, let us take 0 and y equal to 100. E2 dot place, let us take x equal to 100 and y equal to 100. Now let us just see whether they are properly aligned. Yes, name and age are properly aligned, and let us place x equal to 50 and y equal to 150. Let us just see whether this one is correct. Yes, it is looking good, and let us change it to 400 by 400. Now yes, okay. So first we need to configure the age now, right? Define age, and that one is age entered equal to E2 dot get and let us change it to int, because by default they are strings, right? If age entered is greater than 18, new underscore label equal to label root comma, and let us write text equal to major. That's what they asked here, right? Major, and next one is minor, and new label dot place x equal to 100, y equal to 200. Okay, and or else what we need to do, new label equal to label root comma x equal to minor, and let us just place it, and let us put this command to this button. And what is the command and what is the function name? Age, right? And now let us run it. Enter name, let us enter something, and let us enter 19 here. We are getting major, and let us write 17 minor. Okay, so these are the Tkinter assignments, and I hope you guys understood. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, just ping us and we'll be there to help you. Okay, thank you guys.